Unlock awesome Fortnite gear with Paysafecard, a secure, anonymous way to purchase bucks without a bank account. First things first, you'll need to get your hands on a Paysafecard. You can buy these from a wide range of retailers worldwide, including convenience stores, gas stations, and even online. They come in various denominations, so pick the one that fits your bucks budget. Once you have your Paysafecard, locate that crucial 16-digit PIN. It's usually printed on the back of the card. Keep this PIN safe and don't share it with anyone. Now, let's head into Fortnite. Open up the game and navigate to the bucks purchase screen. You'll typically find this by clicking on the bucks icon at the top of the screen, or by going to the item shop. On the bucks purchase screen, you'll see various bundles. Choose the bucks amount you want to buy. Next, you'll be presented with different payment methods. Look for the option that says Paysafecard or prepaid codes. Select this option to proceed. This is where your Paysafecard comes into play. You'll see a field to enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. Carefully type in the PIN you located earlier. After entering the PIN, click the Confirm or Pay Now button. If your Paysafecard has enough balance to cover the purchase, your bucks will be added to your Fortnite account almost instantly. And that's it. You've successfully purchased bucks using your Paysafecard. Enjoy your new skins and gear. And remember, Paysafecard offers a secure and anonymous way to fuel your Fortnite adventures.